What is attribution theory? Attribution theory is a social psychology theory that seeks to explain how individuals explain the causes of events or behaviors they observe. It is concerned with the process of how people perceive and interpret events and behaviors, and how they make judgments about the causes of those events or behaviors. According to attribution theory, people make attributions based on two types of information, namely, internal or dispositional factors, and external or situational factors. Internal factors refer to a person's personality traits, abilities, and attitudes, while external factors refer to the situational or environmental factors that may influence a person's behavior. Attribution theory proposes two main types of attributions, that is, dispositional and situational attributions. On the one hand, dispositional attributions are those in which an individual attributes behavior to the person's internal characteristics or traits. For example, if someone is always late to meetings, we may assume they are disorganized or don't value other people's time. Situational attributions, on the other hand, are those in which an individual attributes behavior to the situation or external factors. For example, if someone is late to a meeting because of traffic, we may attribute the lateness to the situation rather than the person's character. One of the key factors that influence how people make attributions is the availability and salience of information. Availability refers to the amount of information an individual has about an event or behavior, while salience refers to how noticeable or prominent the information is. People tend to rely on the most salient information when making attributions, and this can lead to biases and errors in judgment. For example, if someone is constantly making mistakes at work, we may attribute their behavior to their incompetence, even if there are external factors at play, such as a lack of training or support. Another important factor that influences attributions is the actor-observer bias. This bias refers to the tendency for people to attribute their own behavior to external or situational factors, while attributing others' behavior to internal or dispositional factors. For example, if someone is late to a meeting, they may attribute it to traffic or other external factors, while if someone else is late, they may assume it is because of the person's lack of punctuality or respect for others' time. Another important concept in attribution theory is the fundamental attribution error. This refers to the tendency for people to overestimate the role of dispositional factors and underestimate the role of situational factors when explaining others' behavior. This bias can lead to judgments and decisions that are not based on the full picture of a situation. For example, if someone fails an exam, we may assume that they are not smart or didn't study enough, without considering other factors that may have contributed to their performance, such as personal or family problems. Attribution theory has several practical applications in everyday life. One of the most important applications is in the workplace. Understanding how people make attributions can help managers and leaders to better understand the reasons behind employee behavior and performance. For example, if an employee is consistently late to work, it may be more effective to address any external factors, such as transportation issues, rather than assuming that the employee is just lazy or unmotivated. Another application of attribution theory is in the field of education. By understanding how students make attributions about their performance, teachers and educators can help to foster a growth mindset and encourage students to focus on improving their skills and abilities, rather than attributing success or failure to innate traits.